Hello friends, how are you? I am Ritika. Once again came up with another new poem and the title of the poem is Bleeding Heart. Actually, there is a story behind every creature and all authors, poet or singers, they all somewhere feel a deep pain in their heart. So that's why I think they can easily express their feeling and they can connect to any emotions very easily because they know how is it feel they know where to hit to show you the emotion actually. So I just write this poem in particular in that from that perspective. So without any delay, I'm just recording this poem, and if you like this poem, then please don't forget to share your feedback. It hides so many wounds and scars. Yes, it's the story of my bleeding heart. Stabbed with so many swords, still refresh the memory of those taunts, comments, and words. Trauma, fear, deception, and cheating. I endures everything in silence. I bear all the hatred and violence. It contained all child abuse, harassment, bullying, and all embarrassment. Happiness seems so far, and peace is not my life's part. Yes, that's the story of my bleeding heart. Happiness seems so far, and peace is not my life's part. Yes, that's the story of my bleeding heart. I want to heal myself from all this zeal, want to forget every pain which my heart quietly felt. I tried to scream in agony, but my throat choked. Betray my tongue stopped me from expressing my painful storms. I choose the quietness to express my grief. Yes, I shattered completely. Betray broke my thinking patterns and all my beliefs. Screams turn into glimpse of my eyes. Now, screams turns into glimpse of my eyes. Tears turns into broad smile. Exactly like this going on my life. Love sounds foreigner to my heart. I became numb on hearing the word love. It profoundly bleed, but they show no mercy to me. My heart profoundly bleed, but they show no mercy to me. The society, the family, the love, the friends, the known. Why they treat me like use and throw. I'm not a toy, please stop playing with me. I'm not a toy, please stop playing with me. I kept repeating myself. They became deaf and dumb, ignore my naive request. I continually questioned them what is my fault and what is my mistake, but they kept hurting me without any delay. They never gave time to me to overcome from my pain. Stained in blood, my heart wants to stop beating. Yes, I decided to end my life and want to stop breathing. Why this suffering cycle is on mode of repeating? Why they did not give me time to healing? Why this suffering cycle is on mode of repeating? Why they did not give me time to healing? But now that's enough. I take it all bullshit and decided to fight back rather than give up. I became the warrior in the battlefield of my life. I put my armor on to show you in reality who am I. The pain made me stronger. My wound makes me beautiful like stars in the sky. I used my I used all my blood to express my pain on paper. I used all my blood to express my pain on paper.